Actually, yung quail eggs kasi, isa siya sa mga food na sinaserve ko doon sa food cart business ko. So, I'm getting the quail eggs from Bunuan. Nung umpisa, so, syempre, nagta-tricycle muna. And then, ginamit ko na yung una kong sasakyan, yung sedan. So, yun nga, one of the problems that I encountered, transporting those quail eggs going to our place is laging may nababasag. So, it's a loss already. Kumbaga, lugi agad. What I want is a partner who will help me to deliver 100% sa negosyo ko. For me, the most important thing is yung convenience. Magiging partner ko siya. So, ayokong sumakay na hindi ako komportable. With Expander, isang biyahihan ko lang, kayang-kaya kong pick upin yung 10,000 pieces ng pugo. Wala ni isang quail eggs ang nababasag sa mga pinipick up ko. So, kung hindi maganda yung suspension ng sasakyan mo, for sure may mababasag. But with the Expander, wala, ni isa. If I'm going to rate it, scale of 1 to 10, so amazing. Yung convenience, kaya ko talaga siya nagustuhan. Sobrang lambot, even the tag-tags, sobrang hindi mo siya makikil. Ang daling i-maneuver, ang daling iliko. Yung aircon malamig. Yung sound niya, winner po. Di para lang ako nagre-relax, para lang ako nag-e-enjoy. Lalo ko na pe-perform yung trabaho ko. Would you believe I'm driving for 4 to 5 hours, then na-stuck ako ng traffic? Pero pag uwi ko ng bahay namin, my son asked me, "Daddy, can we go out?" Oh, definitely. Kasi hindi ako pagod. We have much more time bonding each other because very convenient siya sa pagdadrive. And of course, andun na yung proud na proud ka because of the things that meron sa Expander. Di lang pang pamilya, pang business pa.
Drive your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.